Have you ever wondered why so many entrepreneurs are ditching their traditional brick-and-mortar banks for a digital-first platform like Relay? After years of dealing with hidden monthly fees and the headache of trying to track every single expense in one cluttered dashboard, I made the switch to see if it lived up to the hype. For most small business owners, the love for Relay starts with its flexibility. Unlike traditional banks that charge you for every extra sub-account, Relay lets you open up to 20 individual checking accounts for free. This is a total game changer if you use the profit-first method. I personally have separate buckets for taxes, payroll, and operating expenses. It means I never have to guess how much I can actually spend because the money is already organized before I even open the app. Then there's the team management side of things. If you have employees or a virtual assistant, you know how terrifying it can be to share banking access. With Relay, I can issue up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards and set strict spending limits on each one. I can even give my bookkeeper read-only access so they can grab statements without me having to manually download and email them every month. The integration is the final piece of the puzzle. It syncs directly with QuickBooks Online and Xero, which means my bookkeeping basically does itself. No more mystery transactions or lost receipts, as the app asks for a photo of the receipt the second a card is swiped. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.